Good day everyone. This video is about solving a rational equation. And this is our given, which is the 5x over 6 minus 1 half equals to 1 over 3. The first thing we have to do in solving the rational equation is by finding our LCD, which is defined by our denominator, which is 6, 2, and 3. Just gonna continue that by 12, 4, 6, 9. So first thing, after that we have to find our most common number out in here, which is the number 6, which is that's become our LCD. So LCD is equals to 6. And after that, we're just gonna divide our LCD into our given, divided by 6. First, 6 divided by 5x equal over 6. We have to cancel out these 6 because they are just the same. That's equals to, as resulting in 5x. The next one is the 6 divided by 1 over 2. Just basically just dividing it by into half. That's result in number equals 3. After that, we're just gonna divide it again from 1 over 3 divided by 6, which is equal to 2. And the next one is gonna transpose or put this negative number 3 into here. So that's basically from negative 3, that's equals to positive 3, 5x. Next, we're just gonna plus this 2 is equals to 5x, and after that, we're just gonna divide this by 5 to cancel out these numbers. It would become only x equals to 5. But the final answer, that's not the final answer, because the final answer is we can divide this by 1. We can divide this to 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1, which is our final answer, which is 1. And also, this is another way for us to find if our answer is correct by using checking. Checking is what we call it, check. The first thing we have to do in checking is we're just gonna write our given 5x 6 minus 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 3, and we're just gonna change this x of ours because our x is equals to 1. So 5, that's it. Plus after that, we're just gonna times this, which is equals to 5. After that, we're just gonna solve this or combine this by using our LCD, which is 6. So our LCD is 6, that one. And after that, 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1, and times by 5 is equals to 5. Thus 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3, and times by 1 is equals to 3. That's it. And just gonna copy that one, equals to 1/3. Thus the next one, we're just gonna simplify this and solve this. Is equals to 2, 6. Oh wait, let's make this one smaller. 2, 6 is equals to 1/3. But we can find this, we can make this into our lowest term, which is our lowest term by 2 over 6, which is the 1/3 equals to 1/3. And that is the answer by this given of 5x over 6 minus 1 over 2 equals 1 over 3. And so this is solving the rational equation. And that's all. Thank you.